Suzanne, sometimes we have caretakers that want to put our prime in water. That's a very old-fashioned way of supplementing birds with vitamins in the water. And while we have instructions for that, it is not a preferred method. One, because some species of companion birds, especially those like cockatiels and budgerigars, they really don't drink a lot of water. Plus, the nutrients in the prime, in particular the calcium, as well as the amino acids, actually help create a bad odor in the water. And that is offensive to birds. So if you're dealing with a parrot species that doesn't drink a lot of water anyway, and then if the water doesn't smell right, it would be a waste of time because the bird is not going to drink the water, enough water to get the required nutrient supplements.
Melanie, the Harry flock does not require prime because it's fed 100% Tropicant. But we do receive questions from breeders and from companion parrot owners about what size packaging they should buy. I think maybe we can help them decide what they can buy.
We sure can. We do want to make sure that our customers know that prime is made with a 2-year shelf life. However, we want our customers and their birds to receive fresh product, the best that they can offer. I always suggest that our consumers, our caretakers, only buy what they are going to use in 6 months. That way they're offering very fresh product that's at its ultimate best flavor and nutrient potency, and that's all for the benefit of the bird that they're caring for.
If caretakers wish to purchase a larger quantity of prime, what would be the storage recommendations?
Well, let's take for instance the 400-gram jar of prime. Storage, we recommend that our caretakers keep the prime securely closed and put in the refrigerator. This is going to help preserve the flavor, the nutrient content, as well as prevent the caking that is typically associated when oxygen comes in contact with the prime vitamin and mineral supplement.